The Allrecipes member who shared this recipe for cheeseball says you can cut the recipe in half to make a smaller version for smaller parties if you wish. To begin, mash 2 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese in a medium bowl. Then add 1 1-ounce package of ranch dressing mix and 2½ cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Mix everything together to incorporate well. Turn the mixture out onto a piece of plastic wrap and shape it into a ball. Next, we'll roll the ball into 1½ cups of chopped pecans on a piece of wax paper. Cover the cheese ball with plastic wrap and refrigerate it until you're ready to serve. An Allrecipes member who goes by Parker9 notes, "This is such a pleasant surprise. A perfect, easy appetizer that travels well. Great for big parties."